Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check someone repost on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to scroll and here you can see a video. So let me like this video. Okay, and click on share. And here you can see a button of repost. Click on that. So I'm going to repost this video. So let me repost another video for an example. Okay, and click on repost. Okay, now it is done. So click on your profile picture and here you can see a repost tab where you can see your repost videos. So let me show you. Let me hide this and here you can see my repost videos. But how you can see some other people repost videos? So click on this profile, but here you can see there is only option of stickers and heart, but there is no option to see repost. So currently you are unable to see any other repost videos on TikTok. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you, have a good day.